We're gonna take a picture, bro.
It's not a picture, stupid.
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah.
The girl rolls down the window. That's my favorite song.
Emily, do you think I should tell them who everybody is?
No.
Bro, that's Larry. No, that is not nice.
Whoa.
That's Dawson.
That's the gay dude.
That's Tyler.
The abusive one.
The abusive one. I'm recording you.
I thought you were going to drop your camera, but thank God you had it.
Woo! Go safety.
Laptop.
That's just some random girl that came to my house.
Bam, knock on that. And then I'd be singing a new song. Laptop on the ground. And we're like, oh.
Emily, look at this. Look at this. Oh.
Oh, whoa. That makes me funny. He's like, here, you know the other one, you're a nerd.
Oh God.
You're a nerd. I know.
Oh, they're gonna kill me. Good thing they don't know about my YouTube.
No.